Good morning and welcome back to the channel. And today we're talking about one of the quirkiest corners of property law, the flying freehold. It's a term that sounds almost whimsical, but for buyers, sellers, and especially mortgage lenders, it can cause a lot of headaches. A flying freehold is a property that overhangs or underlies another person's property. Think of a flat above a shop, or a staircase that passes over someone else's garage. It's perfectly legal, but it creates a unique set of complications. The main issue is risk. Mortgage lenders don't like uncertainty, and a flying freehold introduces uncertainty about access, maintenance, and liability. We recently helped a client who was buying a charming Victorian townhouse. Part of the house extended over the neighbour's garage. On paper, it was beautifully documented, and the seller had been living there happily for decades. But when the mortgage application went in, the lender paused. They wanted to see detailed legal assurances that the overhanging part was safe, that the neighbour could not block access, and that structural liability was clearly defined. What seemed like a simple sale suddenly involved surveyors, lawyers, and extra paperwork. One of the biggest challenges with flying freeholds is responsibility. If the overhanging section develops a structural fault, who pays for repairs? What if the support structure needs replacing? These questions are crucial to a lender because they want to be sure the property retains its value. For a conventional freehold, the answer is simple. The owner is responsible. With a flying freehold, the answer often involves agreements with the underlying property owner. This is why many lenders ask for indemnity insurance or formal legal documentation before proceeding. Another common complication is access. Suppose your staircase passes over a neighbour's garage. The lender needs assurance that you have the right to access that space for maintenance or emergency repairs. Without clear rights, lenders see a risk of disputes, which could affect the property's value or even make it unsellable in future. Flying freeholds are more common than people think, especially in older properties built before strict planning regulations. They can be charming, quirky, and full of character, but they also carry hidden risks that you don't see in modern estates. That doesn't mean they are a deal breaker, but it does mean buyers, sellers, and lenders need to tread carefully. At Blackstone Solicitors, we help clients navigate these complexities. From checking title deeds and easements, to negotiating indemnity insurance, or drafting access agreements, early legal advice can make the difference between a smooth transaction and a frustrating delay. Our goal is to keep the process clear, practical, and stress-free, even when the property itself is a little unusual. If you are buying, selling, or remortgaging a property with a flying freehold, don't leave things to chance. A small upfront investment in legal advice can save months of delay and unexpected costs. If you found this video useful, give a like, subscribe for more property law insights, and reach out to us at Blackstone Solicitors if you need tailored guidance.